All parties Hurriyat Conference has said that the Indian state terrorism in the sacred month of Ramadan has increased manifold and Indian troops are killing, arresting and brutalizing Kashmiris mercilessly to punish them for demanding their basic right to self-determination. Senior APHC leader Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that Indian state terrorism has turned Kashmir into a mourning place where thousands of Kashmiris have lost their loved ones as well as livelihoods and are living in abject poverty. New Democratic Party has called upon the Canadian government to boycott the G20 events in Kashmir and Chandigarh, Punjab, and ban Bharatiya Janata Party leaders and officials from travelling to Canada for abusing minorities and hurting threats against Canadian lawmakers. The demand was supported by the World Sikh Organization of Canada. NDP leader Jagmeet Singh posted a message on his Instagram profile calling for the Prime Minister Justin Trudeau and the Liberal government to boycott G20 summit in Kashmir and Chandigarh. Justice continue to elude the family of martyred noted human rights activist and lawyer Jalil Andrabi despite the passage of 27 years. Jalil Andrabi was arrested by Indian Army's 35th Rashtriya Rifles Major Avtar Singh on March 8, 1996 and 3 weeks later on March 27, 1996, his body was found floating in the Jhelum River. Jalil Andrabi was murdered for documenting human rights violations by the Indian troops in the occupied Kashmir. A propaganda campaign in the garb of panel discussion on Kashmir arranged by some stooges of the BJP government in India at the National Press Club in Washington this week was thwarted by some overseas Kashmiris with their arguments. The so-called discussion on Kashmir from turmoil to transformation was in progress when a group of US-based Kashmiris entered the hall and informed the audience about the true face of the Modi regime in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. A police sub-inspector died of a cardiac arrest in Baramulla district. The police sub-inspector Farooq Ahmed, soon after suffering attack, was taken to the Government Medical College Baramulla for treatment, where he died. President of Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Forum France, Mirza Asif Jarrar, has said that India has denied the basic rights of the people in the occupied Kashmir and serious violations of human rights are a routine there. Mirza Asif, while addressing the 52nd session of the Human Rights Council in Geneva, said that the situation of the human rights in occupied Jammu and Kashmir is very serious, where even journalists and civil society members are not spared.